Mastering the process acquiring a certificate of origin for imports. Welcome to our channel, where we provide valuable insights into customs brokerage, customs bonds, and international trade. In this video, we will discuss how to obtain a certificate of origin for imports. Join us as we provide a step-by-step guide on acquiring this important document required for customs clearance and trade compliance. Understand the importance of a certificate of origin. A certificate of origin is a crucial document that certifies the origin of imported goods. It contains information about the country of origin, proving where the goods were manufactured or produced. Customs authorities use this document to determine eligibility for preferential trade agreements, assess import duties, and ensure compliance with trade regulations. Determine the type of certificate of origin. Identify the specific type of certificate of origin required for your imported goods. This can vary depending on the trade agreement or program in place between the countries involved, such as the North American Free Trade Agreement, NAFTA, United States-Mexico-Canada Agreement, USMCA, or various bilateral agreements. Research the issuing authority. Identify the authorized issuing authority responsible for providing certificates of origin in the country of export. This could be a chamber of commerce, a trade association, a customs authority, or another designated organization. Research and determine the specific authority relevant to your trade relationship. Gather required documentation. Obtain the necessary documentation to support your request for a certificate of origin. This typically includes commercial invoices, bills of lading, packing lists, and any additional supporting documents that demonstrate the origin of the goods. Ensure that all documents are accurate and in compliance with import regulations. Determine the application method. Determine the preferred method for submitting the certificate of origin application. Some issuing authorities may require online submissions, while others may prefer physical or digital copies sent via mail or email. Check the website or contact the issuing authority to clarify the application process. Complete the application form. Fill out the Certificate of Origin application form with accurate and complete information. Include details on the exporting and importing entities, the products being exported, and the required certifications or preferential trade agreements, if applicable. Provide any supporting documentation as required. Pay the required fees. Be prepared to pay any applicable fees associated with obtaining the certificate of origin. Prices may vary depending on the issuing authority and the specific requirements of your application. Ensure that payment is made in the accepted form, such as online payment or bank transfer. Submit the application. Submit the completed application form and supporting documents to the issuing authority as per their specified process. This may involve submitting physical copies via mail or delivering electronic copies through an online portal or email. Follow the instructions carefully to ensure timely processing. Review and approval process. The issuing authority will review the application and supporting documents to verify the accuracy and compliance with regulations. This may involve reviewing the documentation, conducting checks on trade agreements, and validating the origin of the goods. The process duration may vary depending on the authority and their workload. Certificate issuance. Upon approval, the issuing authority will provide the certificate of origin. It may be delivered electronically as a digital certificate or physically as a printed document. Ensure that the document contains all the necessary details, including the exporters and importers information, product description, and applicable trade programs. Submit the certificate to customs. Present the certificate of origin to the customs authorities when importing the goods. This will assist in determining eligibility for preferential trade programs, enabling access to reduced import duties or exemptions. Ensure that the customs officials receive the document and retain a copy for your records. Retain a copy for record keeping. Keep a copy of the certificate of origin and all associated documentation for future reference and record-keeping purposes. These documents may be required for audits, compliance verification, or any post-import inquiries. Thank you for joining us in exploring how to obtain a certificate of origin for imports. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on customs brokerage, customs bonds, and international trade. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Thank you, and have a great day.